Hey you guys, welcome back to my weekly rants where we talk about what's hot, what's not, and everything in between. Today, I'm just gonna chill and eat with you guys a seafood boil, which is what I decided to make for Christmas dinner. I usually make my pot of gumbo, and this is literally like the first time in 15 years that I did not make a pot of gumbo. And the reason why is I was just craving seafood, and I've been enjoying kind of experimenting with my butter sauce. It's been made so famous by Be Love. Shout out to Be Love. So I just decided to make me a little seafood boil with my sauce. And yeah, that's what I was craving. So I forwent gumbo this year. So just gonna get in and just eat, you guys. I'm kind of hungry. I have some Dungeness crab. I'm here in California, and this is for us Dungeness crab season. So I got me a bunch of Dungeness crab on sale, and my family enjoyed it. I did the seafood boil for us yesterday, and we stayed home and just ate, and nobody complained. So this is leftovers. I have a ton left. I'm gonna get right in. Oh, I forgot my lemon. I'm gonna go grab a lemon, you guys. I forgot it. So good. I got a 805 beer. Let me go grab my lemon, you guys. I'll be right back. Already had one cut. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I did. I got to do exactly what I wanted to do, and that was relax. Corn is good. I'm not too big on like a bunch of gifts. I mean, of course my kids are, you know. I have kids ranging from 20 years old all the way down to 3. So my 3-year-old was amped. This is the first year like that he really understood all aspects of Christmas. So he was like into the whole Santa aspect, into getting gifts. So it was fun to watch him. My 11-year-old, he was totally into it too, but you know, he's like a preteen, so he's trying to act cool at the same time. My husband is so funny because he's into getting gifts, but he tries to act like he's not. And he's really hard to buy for, you guys. So, anyways, I forgot to tell you guys I have prawns. I got Dungeness crab. I got sausage. These are like spicy kielbasa sausages. And I got corn on the cob, and I have potatoes. Oh, these potatoes be going with that butter sauce, you guys. It's so good. Look at that. It's hot. The sauce is really hot. I'm still waiting, you guys. I have not been lucky enough to get Be Love sauce. Potato fell down in there. Look at that. I got onions and garlic in my sauce. I made a purchase the last time she released the mild sauce, but sorry guys, I'm hungry. But my order kept getting delayed. And my husband, we have like the same Prime account. We use the same Prime account. So I think he ended up just canceling it after it didn't come for so long. I'm like, boy, you can't be canceling. So I just have to try another order. I'm going to try that sauce because I'm anxious to see what it tastes like. I really enjoy my sauce. If you guys are curious on how I make my sauce and what I put in it, I'll leave the link in the description box below to the video on how I make my sauce. Dungeness crab, baby. And it's really good. I thoroughly enjoy my sauce. So I'm curious to taste the famous Be Love sauce. So I'll get around to it. And of course, when I do, I'm gonna come here and eat it with you guys. So, oh yeah, that's what I was saying. So my husband, he told me, oh, to make it easy for you, I want the Sirius XM radio subscription for my car. So I'm like, okay. I got him that. And he thought that's all he was getting. Little did he know, I saw him buy some headphones a few weeks ago. And he found them on Amazon. And they were cheap. And, you know, the quality just wasn't there. So he returned them. And that's what I like to do when it comes to gifts. I like to kind of listen to observe, to find something that a person will really like. So when I saw he went through that, I was like, okay, I'm going to buy him. He just bought our son some wireless Beats. You know, our kids get all the good stuff, and we don't even be thinking about ourselves. So when I saw him go through that, I ordered him the wireless Beats for Christmas. He had no idea. He thought he was just getting the Sirius radio subscription, because I was like, I ain't really Christmas shopping and whatever. So when he opened that box, you guys, he was so excited. He was juiced. He was like, oh my God, babe, I love him. But he didn't know. And it is hard to surprise him because he is just like very particular. So anyways, that was a fun moment to see him all happy and surprised, because it is hard to surprise that man. This is so good, you guys. This is all I wanted for Christmas. Seriously, I'm like, all I wanted for Christmas. So bomb. So I got my husband bought me some really nice boots I wanted. My husband bought me some fragrance. No, I mean my daughter bought me some fragrance. My Victoria's Secret. And then I got some body butters and bath butters or shower gels from the Body Shop, which is my favorite. My fave. Oh, let me get a thumbnail. I am horrible at that. What the hell? I look crazy, y'all. I look crazy. Me and my kids have a tradition now after Christmas. Day after Christmas, we go to the mall. Just kind of hang out, buy stuff with the gift cards that we've received, you know, see what sales we can come up on. Take my 3-year-old to the play area. So after I finish eating, because I'm hungry, and they already ate, that's where we're heading. That's where we're heading. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. I know I did. Still enjoying it. Still enjoying it. Crab is like my all-time favorite food. That's all I really need in this life of sin. It's me and my crab. Okay? So I'm gonna get out of here, you guys. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, leave me some comments. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload another video, and I will talk to you later. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Peace out.